season when the duration of daytime becomes noticeably shorter and the temperature cools considerably. Day length decreases and night length increases as the season progresses until the winter solstice in December.
Oh, wall charging. Justin, pet is not allowed, especially dog. Aren't you a dog? You're not allowed, boy. You're not allowed, boy. Yeah.
Mommy, can we go to the playground?
Of course. Pink na pink. Look at that. That's my sexy wifey. Still fits her. After what, 5 years? And Josh, light pink. Light pink. Hi, Josh. Is wearing headset? We're going to jump the fence. Not wet, Josh? Not wet? Yeah, it's not wet. Okay, cool. Wearing Space Jam shoes. Here in the grass. Oh, we're gonna get dirty! No way! What's this pink lady? Can I get your number? What's that? Is that baseball? Is that a baseball? Ooh! Josh, kick it, Josh, kick it, Josh. Yay! Awesome. Kick it, Josh. Kick it hard. Here you go. Yay! Just kick hard, Josh. Hey, hold on. Josh. Haha! I missed it. Get it, Josh. Kick it to me, Josh. Kick it to me. Josh, kick it to me. Kick it to me.
Comfort in darkness, some warm shades of all colors. The bitter, dry cold when you walk outside, and the warmth of a room.
I got dirt on my
Smell
shoes.
of coffee when you walk inside.
Josh, you missed it. Oh man.
Brown days, the too many sweet things you shouldn't be eating.
Kick it, Josh. Oh, nice. Josh, kick it hard. Kick it hard, Josh. Kick it hard. Kick it hard.
And the warmth of a room and the smell of coffee when you walk inside. The gray and brown days, the too many sweet things you shouldn't be eating. Autumn is the season when the duration of daytime becomes noticeably shorter and the temperature cools considerably. Day length decreases and night length increases as the season progresses.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rewind.
shades of all
Hinihintay ka niya mag-kick.
colors, the bitter, dry
Hand
cold
me the
when you walk
ball.
outside, and the
Okay.
warmth of the room,
No!
the smell of coffee when you walk inside. The gray and brown days, the too many sweet things you
Kick it
shouldn't
to her,
be
Josh.
eating.
Hey! Good job. Okay, Josh. No, pick it up and throw it to mommy. Come on. Faster, mommy, faster.
There's some warm shades of all colors, the bitter, dry
Nah, you
cold
missed
when
it,
you walk
Josh.
outside, and the warmth
Good
of
job,
the
pick it up.
room and the smell of coffee when you walk inside.
That was a good workout, Josh. Hurry, 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 hurry. Hurry, Josh. Nice. Pick it up to us.
Comfort and darkness and warm shades of all colors. The bitter, dry cold when you walk outside.
Nice one, Josh.
Warmth of a room and the smell of coffee when you walk inside. The gray and brown days, too many sweet things you shouldn't be eating. Autumn is the season when the duration of daytime becomes
Nice one.
noticeably shorter, and the temperature cools considerably.
Go ahead, Josh.
Length decreases and night
Passing on, Josh.
increases as the season progresses until the winter solstice in December.
Okay, Josh. Pick it up, Josh. Yeah. That's a good one. Keep going, Josh. Keep going. Oh. No, win the 95 eh. Ano na tayo eh. Nice. Okay, Josh, ready? Nice. Hey, kick it to mommy. Isa ka pa. Here, Josh. Stop it, Josh! Stop it! No! Where's Shade? Where's Shade? Hey, Josh. Hey, kick it to mommy. No, don't kick it to me. Kick it to mommy. Oh. Kick it to mommy. Kick it to mommy. Nice. Josh. Ah, come on, Josh. Okay, go. Kick it to me. No, to me, not to them. Forget the ball. Oh, here. Let me. Josh. Nice. Oh, don't kick me back. Oh, man. Go ahead, Josh. Go ahead, Josh. Nahirapan ka, Jay. Good job, Josh. Reflex. Faster, mommy. Faster. Faster, mommy. Faster, Josh. Then now you get tired, Josh. Come on, Josh. High. Higher.
shades of all colors. The bitter,
Careful kasi
dry
malalim.
cold when you walk outside, in the warmth of a room, and the smell of coffee when you walk inside. The gray and brown days, the too many sweet things you shouldn't be eating.
Spring is the season, and the duration of daytime becomes noticeably shorter. Temperature cools, consider a
Dad, doon ka sa kabila, Dad!
Oh yeah. Ibig sabihin pare-pareho ang bigat natin. Perfect. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Ha? Ha?
Singing kasi squeaky.
Oh yeah. Row your boat gently down the stream. Crocodile, don't forget scream. Ah, grabe to. Ingay. Hindi, ano, kailangan i-lubricate.
Ako hard! Ako hard! Ako hard!
Wala, dito talagang ano.
when decoration of daytime becomes
Ay, dito talagang wait.
and the temperature
Pero yung kanina sa atin, balance yun eh. Diba? Mas balance yun sa atin kanina.
increases as the season progresses until the winter solstice in December.
Row! Row!
In darkness, and warm shades of all colors. The
Row! Sama na, maingay.
dry cold when you walk
Pagod na yung
outside,
makina.
in the warmth of a room, and the smell of coffee when you walk
Kung may
inside.
mga...
The gray and brown days, the too many sweet things you shouldn't be eating.